Well, I was sitting at home and going through my emails, and I got a notice or an email that said, great news, you can get this product called Ting, T as in Tom, I-N-G, for free. And this was from my insurance company. So what's the first thing you do? Well, the first thing you do is make sure it's not a scam. So that is the first thing I did, is I used artificial intelligence. I went to my my insurer's website. By the way, I could have just called my insurer. I don't call anybody anymore. I just use the internet. Anyway, so after checking it out, I find out that it's free. So then it's time to do some research on it. What is this thing, Ting? Is it a telephone company? Is it a drink in space? I mean, what is it? Anyway, Ting is actually a product that you're able to connect very easily to your electrical system in your house, and it gives you some sort of warning or advance notice of any fire potential or any issues. I haven't done any more than that to this point to just kind of check. So together, we're going to go ahead and we're going to set this up, and we're going to put it in the house, and we're going to set up the app and see what we got. How's that? So come along with me and guess what came in the mail? Ting. So I got this box. By the way, it's really light. Anyway, got this box that came in the mail, free. So even the shipping was free. And so I have Ting. So we'll do a little bit of work together on it. Again, I've done very, very little research on this other than to make sure it was real. And that's it. Well, I've got my glasses on now, ready to take a peek here. First things first, so I did go ahead and I downloaded the app called Ting, and here's what it looks like. So right now I've got it to the point, by the way, I have an Android phone. It says have your Wi-Fi password handy, okay? And the smartphone must remain within 6 feet of Ting during installation. Press next when you are ready. Since I don't quite know what the next steps are going to be, let me take a look inside the box with you. So again, it's this nice small yellow box. You are just 2 minutes away from a safer home. So that's laying on the top. And here is Ting. So this is the actual unit here. And I don't really see anything. There's some sort of button here on the side. I guess we're going to find out what that is in a few moments. And that is it. It's very light. And on the very, very bottom is the user manual. So that is it. There's nothing other than the actual Ting unit, which is, let me show you size-wise how it is. I'll put it next to my phone so you get a pretty good idea of the size, okay? So now I'm ready to continue with my app. So I'll keep putting it here so you could see it. Next, allow Ting to find, connect, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. I'm going to go ahead and put allow. And we're already at the plug in your Ting sensor. So I'll do that. One moment. By the way, in the bottom it says searching. There's the outlet. It's in a living room. It's in an area that we don't really use, so should be okay. So I'm going to plug it in. By the way, I got a little notice that popped up and said, did you plug this in yet? So I'm going to say, yes, I did. You can see the Bluetooth just popped up, and it says connecting to the Ting sensor. Searching for Wi-Fi. So I'm going to have to give it, I'm sure, my Wi-Fi password in a moment. And I am going to do that. Very high signal, by the way. It needs my password. So I have a Google Mesh system. So what I did is I told it I wanted to share the password. I tapped Save Password. And you can see here it says configuring the Ting sensor, connecting to network. I don't know if you could see the Ting unit is flashing in orange. It is now flashing, or it's now solid green. I'm not sure if you could see that. I'll move this plug out of the way for you. So it's solid green. Now this has popped up and told me I have an important message from Chief Coe. So he's from the fire department. I'm gonna skip that for now and continue. Congratulations, Dennis. That's me. Your installation is complete. It's now monitoring your home 24 by 7 by 365. So I'm going to tap continue. Now it gives me a lot of information about how it works. I'm going to just read through this, but not everything to you. How's that, guys? It's in learning mode. It's going to monitor the house for 7 days, analyzing my electrical background signal levels, and give me a baseline. How does it help prevent electrical fires? It monitors your home for dangerous arcing signals, whatever that is, which are the precursor to electrical fires. So now we know what that is. If it detects a hazard, the fire safety team will alert you. Our Ting fire safety team will alert you right away and guide you through repairs. Besides fire protection, it also provides real-time power notifications. I think those might be interesting, especially in the winter when the heaters are running and on and on and on, right? It does not, here's the things it does not do. It does not watch, listen, or record you. So we know that now. So here we go, and here's the first thing I can see here. And what it's showing is my residence, shows it's in learning mode. It shows my insurance company on the top, the name of the insurance company. And it shows my current voltage is 122. And I think that is it. Notifications are on. And it says there aren't any. So you get real-time information. It shows you how things are. It's in volts and hi-fi. I don't quite know what these mean yet, but I'm going to learn, I'm sure. And then there'll be a history. You see a calendar here, and you'll also get a history. There's some other items here under settings, and specifically under communications, and it weather alerts, weekly email report. I'll see what that looks like for a while. Temperature notifications. The low temperature notifications will help to make sure pipes don't freeze, things like that. It looks like there's a lot of things that this does. I'm not going to go through them all with you to get too boring. There's my sensor, there's my location, and it's got SMS alerts also. So what I'm going to do with you guys is let me watch this for about a week or so, and then get back with you, and I could show you some of those graphs. It tells me what my, I'll do this in about a week. Thank you. Well, I think I understand Ting somewhat now. A couple things, so let me show you. First of all, I know there's a little glare. I'll keep it on the side here. So first of all, you could see that my voltage is at a little over 121, shows it in green. And so this is where I am right now. I can go to history. You have a calendar. And I'll go to yesterday, and it'll tell me what my voltage was yesterday. And you see here, you can kind of see what happened and when it happened. So that's nice. And here's real time. So this is what's going on right now. In addition, I read through it. I have to admit, it makes me feel a whole lot safer about all my electrical wires and everything else that are in the house. It gets a pretty good look at it. You'll see, if you look at the bottom number here, the numbers aren't as important as what's going on with the graph. You could see where a light goes on and all kinds of little things like that. But if it detects that there's issues, potential problems, whatnot, you get a notification. And if it's something that could be easily taken care of, it walks you through the repairs. This thing is really good. So if your insurance company is helping you with it, go get it.